Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce my latest patch, which is allow you to control everything in live with one knob only. This is actually the copy of Reaper's action adjust last touch with FX parameter. What is doing? This patch you can put it anywhere on your project. I put on master, so it's load up with the patch itself and this small window, which is basically copy function of these two buttons. You can close it and open and reopen. So first, for setup, you need to adjust this control knob with your one knob, which is you will be turning, and finish. What is doing this patch? See, I adjusting knob, it is working. You hit the map and then whatever knob, whatever slider you touch, it will be controlling without necessary for mapping and remapping. This is the very useful feature for live performing. For example, if you using the sync and I want to add some reverb quickly, you just touch here. And then you'd like to control frequency filter, again just touch. And it is working for everything actually in live, which is made by Ableton. What I mean, if you put VST synth, it will be not working for just touching the parameter in the user interface of the synth itself. So you have to configure first and then you touch here and it will be working. But if I'm touching here, see, it is doing nothing. You have to configure this button first and it is working now. If you operate with this patch, it will take the control over your knob or slider and you cannot adjust it with the mouse. For doing this again, you have to switch it off and then it will be working. Also, if you map one parameter and like to keep it on the knob and work with the other parameters, you just switch off the auto mapping and it will keep for you with the last touched. Then when you remap, it will set for parameter what you was touching last time. You may ask why not to use the built-in MIDI mapping function. I will show you what is the difference. If you map any parameter for the knob, okay, here it will be adjusting all these knobs together. Unfortunately, if you like to map another parameter, for example amount, you have to go here. If you put this amount, it will add this parameter together to that which is already existing mapping. For keep it individually, you have to delete everything and remap again, which is a little bit time consuming. For these knobs, you can map on your controller and just work as you convenient. Hope you will find it useful and make some good music with this.